In this brief presentation, I'd just like to share with you a potential issue you might have when you're exporting as HTML5/JavaScript. It has to do with the fact that JavaScript looks at the timeline a little differently than what we're seeing it. We start on frame 1 inside of the timeline in Animate. However, when it gets converted to JavaScript, frame 1 becomes frame 0, which can become an issue. So I've got a finished version here, which actually is broken, and I'll show you that. I'll demonstrate. I'm just going to go play movie. And lo and behold, the whole title seems to be, gone, except for the background, right? There's nothing to engage. And it will, depending on the computer, it seems like, or even the platform, it may show some of it, but not work correctly. So let me just show you the quick fix for that. Okay, so in Adobe Animate, inside of these movie clips, which are acting as buttons, but they are in fact movie clips, as you can see here. In this nested clip, I have a bunch of code in frame 1 here. I'll just go and take a really fast look at that. Okay, right here. Okay, so we've got a stop command, and then we have some commanding the playhead's instructions. Okay, so when I launched it, as you saw, it just kind of showed up blank. That's because this is being seen as frame 0. So the quick fix is to take that code in frame 1 and just move it over to frame 2. All right? Just move it over to frame 2. I'm going to do a save, and I'll do another test movie. And there we go. We are now in business. Okay? So point is, JavaScript sees the first frame as frame 0. Can pose problems. This is probably the best reason actually to always refer to frame labels versus frame numbers as well. Okay, it is a best practice to use frame labels regardless, but here is another really good reason. Okay, and there we go. So that's the little fix if you came across that glitch when exporting this particular movie with a nested clip with code inside of frame 1. And there you have it.